Hello friends, welcome back to my channel capturelensmedia. Today we are showing how to remove green screen in After Effects. Let's get straight into After Effects. Before getting started, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Now I am opening After Effects. Create a new comp, set the duration time to 7 seconds and click OK. Now I got my comp. First I am importing BG Illustrator file, then drag to timeline. Next I am importing my green screen video that also drag to timeline. Then right click on video layer, go to transform fit into comp. Now my video is fit into the comp size. Next step is to remove that green part. Go to effects and presets, then search key light 1.2. Select that effect, then drag into video layer. Now you can see effect control panel, select the screen color picker. Select green color. Now the green color has removed. Go to effect control, click view option, change final result to screen matte. You can see some color shades in the dinosaur part. Drop down screen matte option. Change clip black value to 25, clip white to 87, screen softness to 0.5. Then change view option to final result. The dinosaur video is almost okay. I am scaling the video, press key S. Now you got scale option, then scale 58%. Now we can adjust the color and light of that video. Search effect brightness and contrast, apply to video layer. I am giving brightness value to 20, contrast to 35. Then apply auto color effect, temporal smoothing value 0.01. Next align BG layer to right option. Go to animation video and BG layer, place video layer to right side, then press key P for position option, click stopwatch. Now add the keyframe in timeline, then move timeline to last frame, move the video right to left. Now you can see dinosaur is walking one side to another. Next we can animate BG to posit side, press P for position option, click stopwatch, add keyframe in timeline 0, then move timeline to last frame, move BG left to right side. This is how to remove green screen. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video.